If you own a firearm and you don't understand how it works, you're relying on luck. And luck isn't a good safety plan. Let's break down how firearms actually work. This is for new gun owners. If you ever thought, I can operate it, but I don't fully understand it, then this video is probably for you. See, understand the process builds confidence, and confidence builds safety. Every modern firearm follows the same basic sequence. Trigger, ignition, pressure, projectile, then reset. Different platforms look different, but the process never changes. A cartridge has 4 parts: the bullet, the case, the primer, and the powder. Pulling the trigger doesn't launch the bullet, it strikes the primer, which ignites the powder, which creates pressure. That pressure is what sends the bullet down the barrel. And in any kitchen, pressure without control ruins the dish. Firearms are no different. Once the bullet exits the barrel, the firearm uses leftover energy to reset itself. That may cycle a slide, eject a casing, or chamber the next round, depending on the design, of course. This is why grip, stance, and ammo choice matter. The firearm relies on physics, not strength. This is actually where new gun owners get confused. The firearm isn't fighting you, it's responding to movement. When you fire, the gun is trying to cycle the same way every time. Pressure goes back, the slide moves. The casing ejects, the next round feeds. But if your hands are loose and your wrists collapse, or your grip changes mid-shot, you're basically moving the platform while it's trying to do its job. It's not the gun being unreliable, it's the gun reacting to a moving base. You see, most firearm issues, they're not random. They come from misunderstandings, wrong ammo, poor grip, skipped maintenance. Safety isn't just rules, safety is understanding what's happening. Always treat every firearm like it's loaded. Keep the muzzle in a safe direction. Finger is off the trigger unless you are ready to shoot. Know your target and what is behind it. And yes, always wear your eye and ear protection every time. Safety isn't just a vibe, it's a foundation. If you're new to firearms, don't feel bad. Everyone starts here. The goal is to learn the process so that you can stay safe and build confidence. Learn the fundamentals before chasing upgrades. See, fundamentals are the recipes. Skip them and nothing comes out right. Gear comes later. And if you want clear, beginner-focused firearm education, subscribe, and I'll keep it simple and responsible.